Hi, did you know that your body needs cholesterol in order to function at its best? The problem then is, how do you maintain that normal cholesterol? But did you know that you may have various food items at home that you could use to lower your cholesterol? So let's look at what I have in my kitchen today. I have oats. Oats are high in soluble fiber, particularly beta glucan, which helps lower cholesterol by binding to bile acid salts in the gut and facilitating their excretion. Then we have fruits. Fruits like berries are high in fiber, soluble fiber, and antioxidant. Other fruits like apple, high in certain fiber, pectin, that also lowers cholesterol level. Berries are also high in phytonutrients and fiber, which contribute to healthy heart health and improve cholesterol. Next, we have nuts. Nuts are high in good fats, protein, as well as soluble fiber. They lower LDL level and increase the good cholesterol. And then we have avocado, rich in monounsaturated fats, which helps to raise our good cholesterol and lower the bad cholesterol. Then we're adding some almond milk. Delicious and great with a lot of protein as well and good fats. Avocado is also high in fiber, vitamins, and potassium, which contribute to good heart health. Now we're going to blend all our ingredients together and drink a glass a day will lower cholesterol if we make this our healthy habits. Let us blend. Oops, I forgot my secret ingredients. That is frozen banana. Not only that, it's healthy with good potassium and soluble fiber, but it's going to give that sweet taste. So don't forget to freeze your banana, or you can also add ice cubes. You let that blend. It is so delicious. And not only that, but it's filled with everything you need to lower your cholesterol and to promote good heart health. Great fats, lots of fiber, lots of protein, and you're ready to go. We're going to taste this. I wish you were here with me. It is absolutely delicious. Let's see. We're going to do our taste testing right now. All right. A glass of this today could serve for a good, healthy breakfast to lower your cholesterol or a good, healthy supper. Let's try. My goodness, it is so delicious, smooth, tasty, and filled with all the goodness I need to lower my cholesterol and to maintain good heart health.